Good day, everyone. This is an activity about case study, the digital shift at Golden Fields Realty. So it's a makeup company. So our background, that governs this case study is Golden Fields Realty. It is a mid-sized property management company in Quezon City with 35 employees. For over 20 years, their operations relied on manual processes, so the typewritten contracts using mga mechanical typewriters, landline calls para sa client inquiries, also mga physical filing cabinets for property documents, leases, and client records. In 2018, the new general manager, Miss Andrea Cruz, decided to modernize their administrative workflows. So she introduced the following changes over a 3-year transition. May ara nga computerization of contracts using MS Word and Google Docs. Nag-shift man sila to email and Zoom for client communication and virtual property tour. Meron din migration to cloud storage for all property-related files. Nag-adapt man sila of e-governance for BIR tax filing, pag-ibig loans, and SSS contributions. They also practiced or adapted automation of client inquiries using a Facebook Messenger chatbot. Also compliance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012 by encrypting digital records. And they practice sustainable practices like paperless workflows, also mga energy efficient devices. Now, while the transition improved efficiency, correct? Several issues emerge. Ano nga mga issues, mga challenges? We have here the digital literacy gap. So some older employees struggle to learn new tools, causing delays and also pati sa cybersecurity concerns. Mga phishing email incident, it compromised one staff account, and also job redesign resistance, which is mga some clerical staff, they feared nga automation would make them redundant, just as what we have tackled during our debate. Also, internet reliability during power outages and poor connectivity. So, sa workflows, ang workflow nila is naga-stall or naga-stagnant, nagadugay, naga-delay. Also, client adaptation, mga some long-time clients nila, they prefer face-to-face interactions over digital methods. Now, ang efficiency gains, ang contract processing, ang time sa pag-process of the contract, it dropped from 3 days to a few hours. Also, cost savings. Nag-reduce ang printing cost by 70% and physical storage expenses by 50%. Expanded reach. So, meron na virtual property tours. It also attracted overseas clients since we have overseas Filipino workers. And employee morale. So, mix man. Young staff enjoyed the tech shift while older staff felt pressured. Now, here are what you're going to do. You're going to answer this. May mo case study with regards to that company. And here are your guide questions. So, from an SCS perspective, how did science and technology reshape Golden Fields Realty's administrative workflows? What societal impacts, both positive and negative, emerged from the company's transition to digital systems? How can the management address digital literacy gaps, no, without causing job loss or demoralization para sa older employees? What ethical considerations should guide the company in using cloud storage and AI chatbots? And lastly, if you were the general manager, what sustainability strategies would you add to their green office initiatives? So do that. You may submit a soft copy of this. Ipaagi lang kay President, and then the President will compile in a Google Drive folder and submit to me. So no need for any printed outputs. Also, this is an individual activity. So yeah, you may use all the tools you think you might need. Just remember to read everything and understand everything before trying to submit it. Um, it is also discouraged for you to just merely copy and paste. It's counterproductive. Try to really think, no? Try to take the role of a general manager. Ano obrahon ko for to to align with the globalization. Ano nang gina-adapt sa global market? Ano nang gina-adapt namon? Paano ko siya ma-bridge ang gap with my older employees and my younger employees. Nga hindi wala pressure or let's say tension na mabuo just because of the adaptation of more uh, efficient tech options. So that's it. Um, Deadline of this, I'll give you 7 days. So this will be submitted on September 1. September 1. All right. Thank you, everyone.